Wildlife with Lone Travers.
Where we explore the wildest creatures on Earth. Today, we are diving deep into the murky waters of the Amazon to meet the giant of the snake world, the anaconda. These legendary serpents have inspired myths, legends, and even Hollywood movies. But how much do we really know about them? Let's find out. Anacondas belong to the boa family and are native to South America. There are 4 species, but the most famous and largest is the green anaconda, Unex murinus. These snakes thrive in swamps, rivers, and flooded forests, making them the true rulers of the Amazon waters. Anacondas are among the heaviest snakes in the world. The green anaconda can grow over 30 feet, 9 meters, long and weigh more than 250 kilograms, 550 pounds. That's heavier than an average motorcycle. They are non-venomous, but their strength is unmatched. They kill their prey using constriction, wrapping their powerful bodies around the victim and squeezing until it can't breathe. Nature's ultimate predator. Anacondas have a diverse diet. They feast on fish, birds, caimans, deer, and even jaguars. Thanks to their flexible jaws, they can swallow prey much larger than their heads. Once they eat a big meal, they may not have to eat again for weeks or even months. Hollywood has given anacondas a terrifying reputation, but in reality, they rarely attack humans. Most encounters with people are harmless. Instead of being fearsome monsters, they are vital to their ecosystem, keeping prey populations in balance. Despite their power, anacondas face threats from habitat destruction and illegal hunting. Deforestation and pollution are shrinking their home. It's important to protect these magnificent creatures so future generations can continue to marvel at them in the wild. From their enormous size to their unmatched strength, anacondas are truly one of nature's wonders. What's your favorite fact about these incredible snakes? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. See you in the next adventure.